Chapter 1 Geography. The Earth in Solar System. Universe. The universe is a huge wide open space that holds everything from the smallest particle to the biggest galaxy. The universe is the body containing the stars, planets, dust or gases. No one knows just how big the universe is. Astronomers try to measure it all the time. Celestial bodies. All the objects that belong to the sky are called the celestial bodies. Thus, the sun, the moon, and millions of bright objects, all are known as celestial bodies. These are also known as the heavenly bodies. Stars are celestial bodies which have their own light. Stars are made up of burning gases. In fact, stars are very big celestial bodies, but they look small because they are very far away from us. Constellation. There are millions and millions of stars in the sky. Some of the stars seem to be arranged in a beautiful pattern. Such patterns are called constellations. Ursa Major, or Great Bear or Saptarshi, and Ursa Minor, or Little Bear, are two common constellations. Ursa Major or Great Bear or Saptarshi. The Indian name of Ursa Major constellation is Saptarshi. It is called the Great Bear because its stars are arranged in such a way that they seem to form the outline of a big bear or the Great Bear. There are 7 stars in this constellation. Ursa Minor or Little Bear. Ursa Minor or Little Bear constellation also has a group of 7 stars, like Ursa Major, but the stars are close together and less bright than those in Ursa Major. At the end of the Ursa Minor is a very important star of average brightness which is called pole star. Planets. According to the International Astronomical Union (IAU), in the solar system, a planet is a celestial body that is in an orbit around the Sun, has sufficient mass so that it assumes a hydrostatic equilibrium, nearly round shape, has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. According to the definition, there are currently 8 planets. The solar system, the Sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. Thus, we call it a solar family. The Sun is the head of the solar system. The Sun is in the center of the solar system. The size of the Sun is really huge and it is made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The Sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the whole solar system. But that tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. The Sun is about 150 million kilometers. Earth. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is 40% smaller than that of the Earth and 40% larger than that of the Moon. Mercury was named after the ancient Roman messenger of the gods because it moved across the sky much faster than the other planets. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the 5th largest planet. It is slightly flattened at both the poles. The surface of Earth is covered with water. Nearly 3/4 of the Earth's surface is liquid water. It is therefore called a blue planet. Water is also found in abundance as ice in the planet's poles and as water vapor in the atmosphere. The Moon. Earth has only one natural satellite, that is, the Moon. The diameter of the Moon is only 1/4 of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us from the Earth. The Moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has neither water nor air. It has mountains, plains and depressions on its surface. These cast shadows on the Moon's surface. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the 5th planet from the Sun. If Jupiter was hollow, more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Colorful latitudinal bands, atmospheric clouds and storms illustrate Jupiter's dynamic weather systems. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is almost the same size as the Earth and it's known as the Earth's twin. It is visible after sunset, evening star. It is very hot and has no moon. Venus is named after the Roman god of love and beauty. Mars is also known as the red planet. Mars is about half the size of the Earth. It has almost the same period of rotation as the Earth. It has 2 moons. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Saturn is the most beautiful planet in the solar system. It has bright rings made of icy particles around its equator. Saturn, according to NASA, has 32 known moons. Saturn is named after Jupiter, his father in Roman mythology. Uranus was discovered in 1781 by William Herschel. Uranus has ring around its equator. According to NASA, it has 21 known moon. Uranus is named after the Greek god of the sky. Neptune is similar to Uranus in size and structure. The two are called the twin giants. Neptune has 8 known moons. Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea. Asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the Sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are parts of a planet which exploded many years back. Meteoroids, the small pieces of rocks which moor around the Sun, are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the Earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes, being completely burnt, falls on the Earth and creates a hollow.